coming from the main parking lot, there are tandem assigned parking stalls. And then there is stair access to the unit. With landscaping managed by the AOAO. Right off the entryway is the brand new kitchen, opened up for a open concept living space to the living room. Brand new appliances, cabinetry, flooring, everything. Oven hasn't even been used yet. And right off this lovely living room with a ceiling fan is a lovely patio space. You can make it whatever you'd like it to be. There's an avocado tree right out front and lots of palms for gorgeous shading. Back inside we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The first bedroom, considered the primary, has 2 closets. And a ceiling fan. Hall linen closet, and the second bathroom. This one does have a tub. And the second bedroom. So lots of natural light, good sized closet, and a ceiling fan as well. And right out the front door. Heading back to the parking lot. You can get an idea, there are a couple of stairs to and from the unit, with designated parking just ahead.